You're watching Masters in Trading Live with Jonathan Rose.
Hey guys, just talking to guys in the Discord. Hope everybody's doing well. My name is Jonathan Rose and welcome to Masters of Trading Live. At Masters of Trading Live, I get on here each day the market's open, go over the market, share some thoughts. Once in a while, we'll share our trade of the day. Volatility is exploding. As traders, volatility should be our friend. In my opinion, in this kind of environment, the best thing we need to do is to stay nice and active. Everything is getting crushed. All the indices are getting crushed. Bonds now getting crushed. Volatility indices are sky high. Let me show you what I'm looking at on the chart. And I think if we take a step back, look at the bigger picture, it'll really resonate with you. So let's go to the chart. Let me show you exactly what I'm looking at. I have the screen, I have the chat open. We're in YouTube. We're live every day for any questions. So SPY, we're going to look at the SPY first. And what do I want to show you with the SPY? We're looking at a daily. Today's range, you guys could all see this, right? Nice and big for everybody. The last 3 days in a row, the low of the SPY has pretty much been the exact same thing. 572.25 3 days ago, 573.08 yesterday, 573.45 this morning. Support. Right back that 200 period moving average. Watch the Qs as well. You'll notice in the QQQ, look at this. The low of today, 491.65. The low of yesterday, 491.26. Okay, anything above these lows is actually very, very bullish. So we are looking to the long side of the indices, specifically the QQQs, as long as we stay above yesterday's low. I'm always encouraging our members to watch daily highs and daily lows. They are so unbelievably powerful. Let's go into the slide deck. The first thing I want to do on my slide deck is Jerry posted it this morning. Jerry, 3-0 this week on the QQQs. And then Jerry was kind enough to post his trades, pulling in $600, 600. It looks like here we lost 500, but nice and consistent, staying active with these short-term options. So Jerry, love that. Congratulations. Earnings. We had a presentation last night for everybody in our earnings community. Our earnings has been the most consistent trade. Here's another example of an earnings trade, RYAM, and this one came off this morning. It's really important to recognize when we do these trades, that's our risk, $133 per contract. Well, these puts traded up to $1.75 this morning. So another name comes off really, really strong, RYAM. The earnings approach continues to be extremely reliable. Here, I'm just taking these. It was $1.60 out of $1.95, and these $1.75s traded right here on that RYAM. So yesterday I shared this. Our earnings trades, so far we've closed 26 earnings trades. 27 if we count RYAM. But the reason I want to share this is earnings comes around 4 times a year. The market's really, 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 really volatile right now, and long-term holdings are getting their butt whooped. The great thing about trading earnings is we're trading movement. We're long puts, we're long calls. We just want activity. We don't care which way it goes. So that's the reason we're able to get results like this. We've had 26 closed earnings trades. The average position hold time for our earnings trades has been 36.6 days. Our earnings portfolio win rate has been 65% out of the 26 closed trades. Average position gain, almost 50 freaking percent. And if we annualize that, 481%. So this was very cool. We opened up a little promotion for anybody who wants to join our earnings academy. We opened that up last night. The number's on the screen for anybody who calls and wants to call and learn about that promotion for Earnings Academy. What do we have here? Josh posted in our Discord yesterday. Hey, Jonathan, looking at Hippo. Just wondering what you thought about the trade. So here's an example of Josh in our Discord asking about Hippo. And Hippo is a name that I didn't share. He was just asking, say, hey, I'm using the earnings tool. This looks like a really, really cool trade. I am always, yeah, Paul, that's all in, that number. That number is all in. That is all of our closed trades. That is 100% legit. We have to make it, whenever we share a trade, we also have to document that trade. And then whenever we get out, we have to document that trade as well. So just to give you guys an idea of how our Discord works, Josh asked about Hippo. I'm always going to ask why. It's the biggest pet peeve I have. And if you guys are on a bunch of services and somebody tells you to buy Microsoft, buy Amazon, I want you to ask why. Sell it to me. Give me reasons of why that's a good trade. Okay? So right away, why Hippo? I'm not saying I don't like the trade, but sell me on it. What do you think about Hippo? I don't know. Sell me. It's the cheapest stock in our earnings advantage. All right. That's a good reason. That's a reason for me to go look at that. So many of the trades that start in our Discord community aren't necessarily all derived from me. The 26 closed trades that I showed you with the 65% winning percentage, yeah, those were derived by me. But what we're trying to do is get you guys to be able to fish on your own and find trades on your own. Hippo, Josh found this. I didn't find this at all. This morning, it's up 8%. And others in our Discord were able to use Josh's analysis and get in the trade as well. So it's not just me sharing trades and people are waiting around. It's an active community where we're getting trades, people are discussing trades, and they're all trading together. So I thought this was really, really cool. Josh shared Hippo. Brian here, looks like he got in. Eddie and Kevin all talking about Hippo as well. Very, very cool to see. Jump on live is the gain number. Oh, cool. Just looking at the questions right now. Eric was saying has been trading the QQQs the last 2 days based upon the expected range. Yeah, with volatility, we like to say we want to stay active. We want to stay active because, like we say, just a lot of news bombs going on. A lot of news bombs, tariffs, the market's going to get a hit. Then they come out and automobile tariffs, we're going to hold off for 30 days so the market rallies. Trade those news bombs, stay on the edges. For everybody in our All Access, you guys hang on. We'll be right back. For everybody else, thanks for watching. We'll have that number on the screen for you to call about that special earnings promotion if you want to be involved. Thanks so much for watching.